Here's Roger Yap. James Yap. On the move. Fires. Way off the mark. So pagkakataon para makalapit itong Alaska, down by just 3.
Oh, makatabla.
With a three-pointer. But James Yap breaks up the play. James Yap still on the move. Here's Raymundo. Drop pass. Ayan na naman silang dalawa.
Kapareho ba ng amoy yan?
You know, kabisado talaga nila, no? And really, si Richard Yee, you know, half his points dito sa Pure Foods, career-wise, siguro galing kay Kirby Raymundo. As Willie Miller connects.
Come on now, let's go, man! Get up, let's go!
3-point lead pa rin para sa Pure Foods, 72-69. Under 4 minutes to go in the fourth and final quarter. Here's Ralimi with a pull-up, and it's good! 10 points in the ball game para kay Ralimi. Showing us a nice touch from the outside. And he stops that drive by Carriazo, but Hugnatan scores on the floater.
A little over 3 minutes remaining at lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods dito. Ng mga contenders natin dito para sa ating best play would be James Yap, Miller, and probably Randy Holcomb.
What a rebound for Kirby Raymundo.
Ganda tag na kalawit. Nakikita natin yun nung araw kay Manny Paner, mga ganong klaseng rebound eh.
So balik sa lima ang abante ng Pure Foods, 76-71. Here's Holcomb on the right side. Miller against Roger Yap. Miller fires. Misses. Rebound para kay Ralimi.
May humahawak yun. Para hindi niya maabutan yung bola. That's a fourth foul on Reynel Hugnatan. So far, Pure Foods looking good. Pero mahaba pa ito, 2:41.
Here's Roger Yap. Roger Yap still has the ball. Raymundo. Raymundo goes left. James Yap spots and scores!
Dahil nilalagay na yung icing at James Yap. 23 points in the ball game.
TM3 na naman for the man with a million moves. At biglang alagwa ang Pure Foods dito.
32nd timeout ang tinawag ni Coach Tim Con dito. At itong si James Yap, siya na yung malaking problema para sa Alaska, trying to put the game